Hello everyone, I am Vismay. Today I will discuss about coexistence feature of WhatsApp Cloud API. Before we move ahead, I want you to see these both videos where I have shown all the steps of how to integrate embedded sign-up builder, which will help you to understand coexistence feature better. Let's start with the demo. You have to select this connect to WhatsApp business app. Then click on next. Now enter the phone number, WhatsApp business phone number. You will receive message on this number. Open the WhatsApp and click on this camera. Now just scan the QR code. As you can see, it is showing you are connected to Omega group in the mobile. You can also check the app name Omega group and the Meta account. Now in the desktop, you can select confirm. Now just click on finish. Once you set up this successfully, you will get this business ID, phone number ID and the WABA ID. Now let's move to the documentation. These are the pictures of the demo which I shown earlier. You will receive the message in your WhatsApp and you can click on this button connect and you will redirect to onboarding screen like this. And another way is you can directly click on the camera and just scan the QR code and you will see this screen. And other steps are same. And here is the requirements. The business customer must use WhatsApp business app version 2.24.17 or higher. You must already be a solution partner or tech provider. And if you have already integrated embedded sign-up builder, then you can ignore these 3 steps. And another one is the feature comparison. You can compare the non-coexistence and existence features. You can compare one by one. And here is the steps to configure in your app. So first of all, you have to subscribe to Webhooks. So you have to open your app. In the app, you have to go to the configuration and you have to enable those 3 options, which is history, SMB abstract sync, SMB message echoes. Then second step is customize embedded sign-up code. If you have already integrated embedded signup builder, you already know this, so you have to add this extra 3 parameters. Once you complete these steps, you have to just deploy on the live and you can directly check. Once you finish these above 2 steps, you will see the screen as I shown you in the demo. And also this is the old screen, but in your mobile there is a option learn more. So if you click on that learn more, you will have this option disconnect, and there are multiple APIs which will help you to manage coexistence. And this is the API of check onboarding status, and you will receive this kind of response. And for this context synchronization, you have to call this API, and the API's response will be like this. And for the message history synchronization, you have to call this API, and response will be like this. And this is the step 3, mirror a new WhatsApp business app messages. And this is the offboarding business customers. So you can offboarding business customer by calling this API deregister, this API, and the response will be like this. And these are the possible response status, so you can handle API accordingly. And you can also check the errors from these links. And these are the webhooks fields which you will receive in the webhook: account update, account offboarded, account reconnected. You will also receive the webhook for the edit, revoke, and you can also check the syntax, parameters, and example. And another one is the history, which we had enabled earlier. History, SMB abstract sync, SMB message echoes, so you can check syntax, context, example one by one. Only difference is this is normal onboarding and this is with coexistence, so you can check these only differences extra. There is another difference, which is event which you receive in the response. Once you finish the setup, if you are registered with coexistence, then you will receive this event, finish WhatsApp business app onboarding. And if you are registering without coexistence, then you will receive finish events. Based on that, you have to handle the data. That's it. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.